everyone, how was your day? I hope you are still enjoy following these activities with me, and today we will play with puzzle and cardboard. Let's check it out. We need cardboard, plastic bottle, lid or top bottle, marker, tape, glue, scissors, crayons or coloring marker. We use cardboard to make it wheels by tracing lid bottle or top bottle to make the circle patterns. Cut the pattern by scissors. Be careful. Stamp the wheels on the body bottle with glue or sticky tape. We can add 4 to 8 wheels on the body bottle. We add some decorations on the bottle. We can make the passengers sitting on the window. You can draw anything on the cardboard or marker. You might get your family, your friends, your classmates, and don't forget to draw the driver. Your driver. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to school. Ta-da! Hope we can go back to school again soon with this bus. Okay, I'm waiting for your video. That's all our activities today. Stay healthy, stay happy. It's time to go now. Have a nice trip with your family. Bye!